Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to International Islamic University, Islamabad School's Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This is the second lecture of English Grade 3, Unit number 1, Dialogue, and the subtitle is A Special Visitor. Dear students, we have done reading of this lesson in our previous lecture. We already have covered reading and explanation of the lesson, and you people have written the meanings of difficult words in your classwork notebook. I assigned you to learn these meanings of difficult words, and I hope you already have learned. Okay, in today's lecture, we will cover the exercise of question answers of this lesson. You people will write down the question answers in your classwork notebooks. As you already have read and understood the lesson, so I hope it will not be difficult for you to answer the questions because questions are taken from the lesson. Let's recall the lesson. What was in this? It was a dialogue, a conversation, a talk between students of class, their class teacher Mr. Bashir, and a visitor sportswoman, Miss Javeria. And Miss Javeria is a cyclist. In this dialogue, Mr. Bashir introduced Javeria in front of the students, and Javeria told them what does she do, and students asked some questions from Javeria regarding her, about her sports, about her studies, about her routine, etc. And in the end, Miss Javeria went with them to watch them practicing for their sports day. They were preparing for their sports day. Miss Javeria went with them to watch them practicing. Okay, before we start, you people are required to bring your classwork, your English classwork notebook, your English language tree students book, and your complete stationery with you, because you will write down the question answer in your notebook with your lead pencil. Listen to the teacher attentively and write down the stuff asked by teacher in your English classwork notebook. And if you find anything difficult in this lecture, just note it down and wait for the discussion session. Dear students, open your students book, page number 7, and mark date and day classwork on the top of this page. Open your classwork notebook and prepare classwork page by writing date and day on the top of this page also. Write down the topic and subtopic. The topic is dialogue, a special visitor, and the subtopic is question answers. Prepare the index properly. Okay, now let's come to the questions. Come to question number 1. Dear students, write down the question number 1 in your classwork notebook with your lead pencil. Try to write down neatly. And the question is, when was Javeria in Mr. Bashir's class? Yes, dear students, Mr. Bashir told the students when Javeria used to study in his class. Yes, 10 years ago. Mr. Bashir told his class that Javeria used to study in his class 10 years ago. So the answer is 10 years ago. Write down the answer in your notebook with lead pencil. Dear students, make sure you have marked the margin lines along your classwork page. It will bring neatness in your classwork. Come to the question number 2, and the question is, what does she do now? Dear students, write down the question in your classwork notebook with lead pencil. Okay, think. What does she do now? What did Javeria tell the students? What does she do? Yes, she is a sportswoman and competes in cycling. She participates in the competition of cycling, and she also does something else. Yes, she studies as well. So the answer is competes in cycling race and also studies. Write down the answer in your classwork notebook. Now come to the question number 3. Write down the question. And the question is, why is cycle race in Pakistan very hard? Yes, dear students, she told about a cycling race held in Pakistan, which was very difficult for her, and she found it the best one. What was this, and why was this very hard? Yes, it was along the coast, and the wind blew in her face, so she found it very hard. Okay, the answer is because on the road along the coast the wind is in your face. Write down the answer in your classwork notebook. Come to the question number 4. Write down question. And the question is, describe 2 things Javeria does to help her perform well. Yes, dear students, what does Javeria do? Why does she perform very well? The one important thing is that she train every day for 3 hours, and the second thing is that she eats potatoes and bread and rice to give her energy, and when she gets energy she performs very well. So these 2 things are very important. Write down the answer. She trains 3 times a day and consumes proteins. Write down the answer in your classwork notebook. Come to the question number 5. Write down the question in your okay, dear students, you are not required to write down this question in your notebook, because this question has 3 options and you only need to tick mark the correct option on your book, page 7. And the question is, why has she come back to her old school? Yes, this was her old school. She used to study here 10 years ago, and now why has she come? Okay, the option A is to help the pupils prepare for school sports day. Second is to tell the children about her sports. And the third one is to see her old school friends. Her old friends have also gone from the school, so why would she come to see her school friends in that school? So the correct answer is option A, to help the pupils prepare for the sports day. Encircle the option A. Okay, dear students, I hope you all have written all the questions in your classwork notebook neatly, and if there is any rubbish work in your classwork, erase that and write down that neatly. Okay, let's come to the homework. Dear students, in this page number 7 we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in our classwork. Okay, and question number 6 and 7 are remaining. These 2 questions are assigned to you as your homework. Read out the question attentively. Try to understand that what is asked, and then think of the answer of that question and write down the answer in your homework notebook. Dear students, for doing this homework, you are required to prepare the homework notebook page properly by writing date and day on the top of page, by writing topic and subtopic, and prepare index 2. Okay, let's see what is question number 6. The question number 6 is, which sports do you like? Do you prefer to watch them or play them? Okay, it is up to you, dear students. If you like any sports, of course there must be a sports that you like the best, so you just need to mention that, and after that you are required to tell that you want to watch that sport or play that. Okay, Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7 asks, would you like to be a famous sportsman or sportswoman? Dear students, this is also up to you, that if you want to be a famous sportsman, sportswoman or not. If you want, then tell why, and if you don't want, then also tell the reason why don't you want to be a famous sportsman or sportswoman. This is the first homework that you are required to do on your homework notebook. Secondly, dear students, open your workbook, page number 1. Language Tree English workbook, page number 1. Exercise 1. Use these words to make questions. Start each question with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Okay. Dear students, here are some statements given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 statements are given. These are the sentences which are not in correct order. These are not correctly sequenced. For example, the first is, your is what name? Dear students, it isn't any sentence. It is a group of words but isn't any sentence. It doesn't give any information or doesn't make any sense. So we are required to order them, write them in a proper sequence so that they may be a proper question. For example, first one is, when we write them in a sequence, it becomes, what is your name? Similarly, you are required to fill the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth one by writing these words in a proper order so that they be a proper question about you. Second exercise, write your own answer to your questions. Okay, dear students, just like the in the first exercise, यहाँ पे आपका जो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में पहला सेंटेंस था वो गिवन था योर इज़ व्हाट नेम, जो कि कोई सेंटेंस नहीं था. आपने जब उसको सीक्वेंस में लेके आए तो वो बन गया व्हाट इज़ योर नेम. बिल्कुल इसी तरह एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 में आपने फर्स्ट के ऊपर इस क्वेश्चन का, यहाँ से एक्सरसाइज 1 के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपने एक्सरसाइज 2 के फर्स्ट लाइन पे लिखना है. माई नेम इज़ वट एवर योर नेम इज़. Similarly, on second line, come to the exercise 1. See what the question is given here. Write down its answer in the exercise 2, line number 2. इसी तरह आपने ये पूरा पेज फिलअप करना है. यहीं पे workbook page number 1. Okay, I hope you all have understood what is assigned to you. And good luck, dear students. This is the end of our today's lesson. Get your homework done by the next lesson and follow the given instructions properly. Note down the things if you find anything difficult and wait for the discussion session. Allah Hafiz.